Listen, you're not broken, you're not tired, you're not stuck, you just lack morning discipline and it's costing you your future. Every single day you wake up and ask yourself, why do I feel tired before the day even starts? Why is my mind already distracted? Why does success feel so far away? And here's the real problem, it's not you, it's your morning habits. Every morning you face two choices, one that builds your future and one that keeps you exactly where you are. So today, I'm going to show you 5 morning habits that can completely change the direction of your life. Because when you fix your mornings, your entire life stops fighting you. Let's start with number 1. Wake up at the same time. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m., but you need to wake up at the same time every single day. This isn't just about mornings, it's about building a foundation of control. When you master your wake-up time, you master yourself. And when you wake up at the same time every day, you're not training the alarm, you're training your mind. And the day you win that control, life stops pushing back. A disciplined morning doesn't just start your day, it defines your future. 2. No phone for the first hour. 90% of people lose their morning right here. The moment you wake up, you reach for your phone, reels, notifications, slowly pulling your focus away. And within just a few minutes, your brain gets hijacked, your energy drains, your clarity disappears. That's why the rest of the day feels hard. So no phone for the first hour. First, make your bed, drink a glass of water, get into sunlight. This single action decides your entire day. Win the first hour because the person who wins the morning has already won the day. 3. Move your body. Every morning you do the opposite. You sit still, you scroll, you shut your system down. And then you ask why you feel tired, unfocused, and dead inside. Movement isn't about fitness, it's about activation. It doesn't matter if it's 10 push-ups, a 5-minute stretch, or a full workout. The moment you move, your system wakes up, endorphins flood in, oxygen rises, energy turns on. So if you want clarity, move. If you want energy, move. If you want to feel alive, move. Sitting still is a slow death. Motion creates emotion. That's why the most successful people on this planet move first and think later. Control your body and you control your day. 4. Eat protein at breakfast. Most people start their day with sugar. Then they crash by 10 a.m. and wonder why they can't focus. Here's the truth. Sugar gives you a spike. Protein gives you control. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar. It gives you sustained energy, not a spike and crash. It keeps you full. It feeds your muscles. It sharpens your mind. Greek yogurt, protein shake, boiled eggs. Whatever works, just fuel your body like a machine, not a trash can. Because you are what you eat. And if you eat like you don't matter, you'll live like you don't matter. 5. Do the hardest task first. Most people spend their mornings avoiding discomfort. They answer emails, they check messages, they do busy work to feel productive. But here's the truth. Your willpower is a battery. It's fully charged in the morning and every decision, every distraction, every scroll drains it. So first attack your hardest and most important tasks before emails, before meetings, before your brain has time to negotiate. Do the thing you're avoiding, the thing that scares you, the thing that actually moves your life forward. This is how legends are built. These aren't just habits. This is a system that builds your future brick by brick, morning by morning. You don't need motivation, you need repetition. Protect the first hour. Execute without emotion. Let discipline do the heavy lifting. Because the life you want isn't built in a day. It's built every morning when no one is watching. And if you're ready to take control of your morning, comment, "I'm ready," because this is where discipline is built.